Hi guys, my name is Soumya and today I've brought these new cards like After Tarot over here if you can see here, and this is Gypsy Oracle cards. I'll be using these two cards over here. If you can see the back cover and the Gypsy's Oracle, I'll be doing energy updates, new moon in Aries. I have got some suggestion from some of the people out here. Please do subscribe my channel and do share your comments if my reading is resonating with you. So this is After Tarot deck over here. So see, the pictures are so beautiful. I'll be sharing in my reading while I'll be doing my reading. Okay, so this is a Two of Wands over here. Hope you can see it. So I love this deck a lot and I got it, like I was manifesting some of my decks a lot, and by the grace of God I got it. So let's burn the sage over here. So let's see what is going on with your person and your life, what new moon in Aries is bringing along. So spirit angels, please, I'm clearing the energies over here. I call upon all the spirit angels to guide me, all my spirits, all my angels, ancestors, Kabbalah masters. I love the smell of sage. Okay, so I'll be starting here with my reading with tarot first, then I'll be moving with my oracle cards. So what universe is bringing out here in new moon in Aries? Angel spirit, please guide me. What is coming up there for my viewers out here? What is coming for new moon in Aries? Spirit angel, please guide me relevantly. What is coming in new moon in Aries? What is coming in new moon in Aries? Angel spirit, please guide me relevantly. What is coming in new moon in Aries? What is coming in new moon in Aries? What is coming in new moon in Aries? Angel spirit, please guide me relevantly. What is coming new moon in Aries? What is coming in new moon in Aries? Okay, I got here shadow of the deck is Two of Swords. Let me check out the other cards also what we have got today. This is a general reading, guys, so take what resonates with you, rest you can leave behind, and you can comment me for your suggestion what type of readings you want to pick a pile or not. And do subscribe my channel, do hit likes, and do share your reading if it is resonating with you. So there is the Strength, Knight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. Wait, let me keep over here these decks. These beautiful decks are so beautiful. Okay, there is Knight of Cups. So I'll take it over here with Knight of Wands. These both are night energy. And there is the Lovers at the end. I'll take it over here. Okay, right now what I feel, like most of you have already had physical with this person. This came up towards you. They took action. They were like quite sure about you. They given you offer. And yes, you had some physical with them for some of you, not all. And this person, you might have fight also in past. This person is totally living in crossroad actually. Okay, you can see lots of 222 number a lot when you meet this person. This person can be very passionate for you. They are a very passionate lover, and yeah, this person will be bringing up some offer, marriage offer over here. Okay, hold a second, guys. Sorry for the interruption. So yes, now I sense like this person was rejecting you a lot, like you love them, basically you like them, but they are keeping you in a crossroads somehow because they are very much confused because of the family pressure, I guess, or maybe because of their ex past traumas. And yes, this person will be coming up towards you again. They will be taking action, traveling up towards you. They can come up with an offer. They want to be your lover, so they can give you a love commitment over here. And there is the Strength card. I sense lots of fire energy over here. Gemini, Leo, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, or you or your person could be. So I sense here there is lots of strong magnetic energies you guys are attracting with each other. Plus this person is looking for stability now somehow, a family stable offer. They can give you a family stable offer now for some of you. You had everything with them. Okay, this is a known person, but they are living in a crossroad. And I see this person is coming up towards you very soon now. After new moon in Aries, they are taking some action now. So there is a death. So you must be feeling lots of nostalgia right now, and this person can also feel lots of nostalgia and all. They could have lots of headaches at a time. They are thinking about you. They are finishing some business. They might have also come up to finish some karmic business with you for most of you, and Yes, they are leaving something behind and they will be coming up towards you. Don't get scared while seeing a death card in tarot card readings. Whenever you see a death card, there is always a positive meaning behind it. There is a transformation also. The person is moving on. So, what is the purpose of death card over here? Okay. So, you can see lots of three of wands. So, I told you. So, this person will be taking action. They are just right now working on their, they are doing lots of inner work. There is lots of healing going on with this person. And there is four of pentacles. So, it might be there can be some financial issues for some. For others, yes. This person is very much possessive over you. You are on their mind very badly. Very badly. This person is just making a decision right now. They are because they are living in a crossroad. And yes, this person will take a move very soon towards you with three of wands. They have got lots of fire energy. This person could be younger than you, okay, for some, or you could be younger from them. So what is coming in new moon in Aries? Spirit angels, please guide me relevantly. What is coming in new moon in Aries? Page of wands. Oh. So definitely there is like this person will take action towards you very. So this person will take action by their own mind. You might also have fight in between that why you did this and why you live in between like this. And they are like not sure basically right now. So what is coming in new moon in Aries? Why there is page of swords in spirit, please guide me relevantly. Why there is page of swords? Oh wow, there's 10 of cups. For most of you, you are meeting this person 10, 10, 10. You can see lots of 10, lots of 3, lots of 2, 2, 2, lots of 11, 11. Oh my god. 2 of wands another time and 3 of wands. So this person is waiting to come towards you and offer you their whole world actually. So yes, this person can be a rich person, can be a family oriented person whom you can deal with. For most of you, I also sense you will be also taking action. There will be a transformation coming in your life regarding even your work if you are asking me. Yes, if you are waiting, don't wait, just take action now. And there is a very much peaceful resolution coming up your way. You will be making a peaceful resolution. So there is lots of 10, 10, 10. You can see lots of 10, 10, 10. A lot. This is a family oriented person. This person loves cats and dogs a lot. And yes, they are building up lots of money to come towards you. So yes, you can see lots of 10 when you meet this person. 10, 10, 10. You can see lots of 2, 2, 2 synchronicities. 6, 6, 6. 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 11, 11. And yes, for some of you, you will be getting married to this person. For others, you are meeting a new person. Okay, and this could be from a family, from arrange. Okay, and this person is your twin flame soulmate for some of you. And this thing, I will tell you, like new moon in Aries is bringing lots of love, lots of actions, nostalgia, and all. And this person sees you as like a hope now, and yes, they see you as the Queen of Pentacles too. They want to make a baby with you. For most of you, can get a pregnant this week. You can have a baby, and yeah. So I sense lots of good vibes, action coming up from this person. This person is coming out of hermit mode. So yes, this person want to have family with you, and yes, they for most of you can meet this person while through a family, and I feel like this will be like kind of love arrange also for some. In arrange you will be meeting this person, but the vibes I'm getting like you will be feeling attracted to this person very much badly. You both will be attracting to each other, and universe is bringing you both together. And what signs I'm getting over here, this person is either Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Aries, Scorpio, and Sagittarius, is very much over here. Okay, now let's check out like what's coming around your way from my Gypsy's Oracle cards. What you need to know. Angels, will please guide me what my viewers need to know over here. Okay, but whosoever you are dealing with, either they could be younger from you, okay, or either very elder from you or elder from you. Not so much elder, but I'm getting vibes of young energy. So this person is very much house. They want to build their own house and take you over there. And this person sees lots of pleasure with you. You will be also meeting friends who see lots of happiness with you, lots of pleasure with you this time. And I see a union coming somewhere. The waiting game is over totally. And even regarding your financial issues, you will be getting stability, but you don't have to hold your money. You have to just let go. So what is coming around for my viewers out here? Angels, will please guide me relevantly. Wedding, yay! So here is a wedding for most of you. I told you, for most of you can get married to this person, either to your lover, or most of you can meet this person through your family, through your relatives, and there is faithfulness. And here is a dog, so this person has lots of animal spirit in them, and they could be a faithful person to you. They are very loyal towards you. This person can have dog. Yes, you both can also even have tower moment, tower shift, which is ending now. I see a tower moment is ending, and there is someone who can be a jealous person from you, who can gossip around with this person or gossip about you with this person who's filling their ears. And for others, I see there is an enemy who is very much jealous about you and gossiping about you now. So let's see what love is bringing more now. So what is coming there in love? I'll not take so many card spirits. Okay, there is a playfulness. So this person is younger by your age, as I said before. So spirit has also proved it. Thank you. So yeah, so this person is like coming to you with very much playful energy, and they are very much younger to you. Right now this person is not so much serious, but yes, later on they could be serious. This could be the one, another proof. So this person is already with you, and you have already met this person. As I said before, this is a known person. You already know this person through your family, or for some you can, this person, you are in a relationship. If you are not in a relationship with this person, you are a good friends, best friends, but unaware somehow. So what's coming in love? Worth waiting for. Wow. So what's coming in love for new moon in Aries? Angel spirit, please guide me relevantly. Release your ex. I feel like most of you are not releasing your ex, or this person will be releasing their ex and coming towards you. And right now you are going through some unrequited love, because this person has rejected you a lot. For most of you, they have left you in cold, or you have might left them in cold, because they were not giving you a correct sign, correct answer with yes or no. They are like yes, 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 and then no, no, no. At the end, this person is coming towards you again. Codependency. So you both were too much codependent. I feel like this person is teaching you how to be independent too without them, not to be too much dependent on them. And this is your true love, guys. Wow, I'm so much happy. And yes, you need to give your relationship a chance. So you know this person, give them a chance, guys. This is a person who you are recently dealing with, okay? And let's see more. So let's see what is there in new moon in Aries. What's there in new moon in Aries? Angels, please guide me relevantly. What's there in new moon in Aries? सो देर इज़ हैव फेथ इन योर ड्रीम्स, वैक्सिंग क्रेसेंट मून। सो आपका जो है मतलब हाफ मून से ही बहुत कुछ, जो वैक्सिंग मून होता है उसी से बहुत चेंजेस आने स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। आपको हो सकता है बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टाइप फील हो रहा हो। बटरफ्लाई आप लोग देख सकते हो, ईगल बहुत देख सकते हो, एंड basically you will be going through some headache, pain, stomach ache, and yeah, you will be feeling lots of nostalgia in this time, but you will be get out of it. So right now you just need to have faith. If you're not having faith in your dreams, then leave it. There's no need to even manifest. If whenever you manifest, just imagine everything in present and in positive way. Do meditation with sage. This is very helpful, guys. Buy it if you want to. So let's see what is new moon is bringing towards you. So I got here 3 cards, and shadow of the deck, work through your phase, new moon in Scorpio. So for some of you, Scorpio season will be very much relevant over here, and it's time to take action. New moon in Capricorn. So within December and January, most of you, your person will be taking action and heading up towards marriage. Meditate and compete. As I said before, new moon in Pisces. For most of you, if you're uh, Pisces, Aries, actually Aries season is going on. As I said before, new moon in Aries was there yesterday, and it's already started. So yes, so lots of fire is there now, and your person will be taking action towards you. You have to also take action towards them or for your work. Okay, and yeah, meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. For your most of you, you can meet either Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay, fire sign, Scorpio person, and then whatever changes is coming over here, it is because of full moon, okay. So this was your reading, guys. Hope it resonated with you. Do let me know in comment box. And if you want a personal reading, you can book at Instagram with Tarot with Soumya _official. Okay, and thank you. Bye bye.